Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the top 5 best electric pressure washers of 2024. Whether you're looking to clean your driveway, patio, or car, we got you covered with the best options on the market. From budget-friendly picks to high-powered performers, we'll help you find the perfect pressure washer for your needs. Let's get started. And, of course, don't forget to check out the links in the description below for the best deals on these amazing paddles. Starting off our list at number 5 is the Sunjoe 2030 PSI electric pressure washer, the best budget option. This little powerhouse offers impressive performance at an affordable price. With 2030 PSI of pressure, it's perfect for smaller jobs like washing cars, patios, and outdoor furniture. The compact size makes it easy to store, and the included 5 quick connect nozzles provide versatility for any cleaning task. If you're looking for a cost-effective way to tackle your cleaning projects, the Sunjoe 2030 is your go-to. With a 14.5 amp/1800 watt motor generating an impressive 2030 psi and 1.2 GPM water flow, this pressure washer easily cleans everything from homes and driveways to cars, trucks, boats, and lawn equipment. 2030 psi and 1.2 GPM effortlessly blast away dirt and grime on a variety of surfaces, making it perfect for homes, buildings, patios, and more. Equipped with 5 quick connect spray tips, 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, 40 degrees, and soap, you can easily switch between light, medium, and heavy-duty cleaning with the right spray for every task. Featuring a 34-inch stainless steel lance with solid brass fittings and all-metal connections, the Sunjoe SPX 3000 ensures durability and maximum performance with no leaks. With 2 large detergent tanks, you can carry different types of cleaning solutions for more versatile cleaning, from soap for vehicles to tough grime removers for driveways. Weighing just 24.3 pounds, the Sunjoe SPX 3000 is lightweight and easy to move, thanks to its rear wheels that make maneuvering around your yard a breeze. The total stop system automatically shuts off the pump when the trigger is not engaged, saving energy and prolonging the life of your pressure washer. Includes a 34-inch extension wand, 20-foot high-pressure hose, 35-foot power cord with GFCI protection, garden hose adapter, and 5 quick connect spray tips. With the Sunjoe SPX 3000, cleaning is faster, easier, and more efficient. Whether you're scrubbing your patio or washing your car, this electric pressure washer delivers professional-grade results every time. At number 4, we have the DeWalt 2100 PSI electric pressure washer, offering the best value for your money. DeWalt is known for durability, and this model doesn't disappoint. It's lightweight, easy to move around, and delivers 2100 psi of cleaning power. Whether you're removing grime from concrete or tackling stubborn dirt on your outdoor furniture, the DeWalt 2100 gets the job done efficiently. Plus, with its long hose and cord, you'll have no problem reaching tough spots. Designed for job site power and convenience, this pressure washer delivers up to 2100 psi and 1.2 GPM to remove dirt, grime, and stains from a variety of surfaces. With 2100 psi of pressure and 1.2 GPM, this washer is perfect for tackling driveways, decks, patios, vehicles, and more. The high-endurance frame allows for vertical or horizontal storage, making it easy to stack and maximize your space. Keep everything in place with onboard storage for the nozzle, hose, cord, and wand, ensuring hassle-free setup and operation. Weighing only 24 pounds, this pressure washer is designed for portability. With multiple grab points, a retractable handle, and wheels, moving it around your yard or work site is a breeze. Easily clean with detergent by using the included soap bottle. Perfect for washing cars or other surfaces needing a little extra cleaning power. The 25-feet hose is kink-resistant, designed to withstand heavy-duty use for long-term reliability. Clean up to 35 feet away with the included long-range power cord, making it easier to handle larger cleaning tasks. The DeWalt 2100 psi electric pressure washer combines power, portability, and durability to handle a wide range of cleaning jobs, whether at home or on the work site. Get professional-level results with a washer designed for long-lasting performance and ease of use. Coming in at number 3 is the DeWalt 2400 PSI electric pressure washer. If you need a bit more power for those tougher cleaning tasks, this mid-range option is perfect. With 2400 PSI, it's ideal for removing deep-set dirt, mold, and mildew from larger surfaces. The sturdy frame, easy portability, and efficient design make it a reliable choice for homeowners who need professional-level performance without breaking the bank. Delivering up to 2,400 psi and 1.1 GPM. This cold water pressure washer is designed to power through dirt, grime, and stains on everything from patios and driveways to vehicles and outdoor furniture. With 2,400 max psi and 1.1 GPM, this pressure washer tackles a wide variety of tough cleaning jobs, offering efficient performance for both home and job site use. Clean with detergent easily using the built-in soap tank, which allows you to apply soap through the pressure washer gun for a thorough clean on surfaces like cars or siding. Keep your workspace clutter-free with onboard storage for nozzles, pressure washer hose, cord, and wand, making it easy to access everything you need. The 25 feet kink-resistant hose is designed to withstand heavy use, ensuring consistent water flow without interruptions. A 35 feet power cord gives you a wide outlet range, allowing you to cover large areas without constantly moving the machine. This pressure washer is CETA certified by the Cleaning Equipment Trade Association, ensuring top-quality performance. Navigate rough terrains or obstacles with ease using the 10-inch premium pneumatic wheels, built to handle job site conditions with smooth transport. The DeWalt 2400 PSI electric pressure washer offers robust cleaning power, long-term durability, and convenient features for heavy-duty tasks. In second place, we have the Westinghouse 3200 PSI electric pressure washer, our best runner-up. This machine is a cleaning beast, delivering 3,200 psi of pressure that's perfect for tackling the dirtiest surfaces, whether it's grease-stained driveways or mildew-covered decks. The Westinghouse also features a built-in soap tank and 5 nozzle tips for maximum versatility. If you're looking for a powerful machine that's ready to tackle the toughest cleaning tasks, this is the one for you. This high-performance pressure washer is perfect for tackling even the toughest grime on decks, driveways, fences, cars, patio furniture, and more. With 3,200 psi and 1.76 GPM, this pressure washer is ideal for deep cleaning everything from garage floors to exterior walls, ensuring a spotless finish every time. The 5 quick connect nozzles, 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, turbo, and soap, let you adjust the spray for any task, from gentle rinsing to tough spot cleaning. Easily clean with detergent using the half-gallon onboard soap tank, perfect for applying soap to cars, siding, and more. Powered by a 13A induction motor with a maintenance-free axial cam pump, the WPX 3200E provides long-lasting performance, and its 35 feet power cord ensures a wide cleaning range. Equipped with a 25 feet abrasion-resistant Superflex hose and lightweight spray gun, you'll have full control for easy maneuverability and precise cleaning. Built with a tough steel frame and never flat wheels, this pressure washer is easy to move around even on rough terrains, so you can clean anywhere with ease. Comes with tools and a quick start guide, so you can start cleaning within minutes of unboxing. Backed by a 3-year limited manufacturer warranty, with nationwide customer service for parts, labor, and support. The Westinghouse WPX 3200E electric pressure washer combines high power, durability, and convenience, making it the perfect choice for heavy-duty cleaning tasks at home or on the job site. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1, we have the Greenworks 3000 PSI electric pressure washer, the best overall pick for 2024. With 3,000 psi of cleaning power, this model is versatile, efficient, and incredibly easy to use. It offers superior performance for both light and heavy-duty tasks. The Greenworks also boasts a durable, high-quality build, and it includes a 25-foot hose, 5 quick connect nozzles, and a powerful motor. Whether you're cleaning your car, driveway, or patio, the Greenworks 3000 is built to handle it all with ease. This pressure washer is PWMA certified, ensuring reliable and verified cleaning power for every job. delivers up to 3,000 psi and 2.0 GPM of intense cleaning power, making it perfect for heavy-duty tasks like cleaning driveways, patios, siding, and vehicles. The pressure washer manufacturer's association verifies that all PSI and GPM claims have been tested and confirmed by an independent lab, ensuring you get the performance you expect. The heavy-duty cast aluminum axial cam pump offers better durability and performance than comparable gas-powered models, without the maintenance and noise of gas engines. Boosts water flow by up to 50%, allowing you to reach higher areas and rinse off dirt and grime faster. Equipped with a rugged metal spray gun and a 25 feet Uberflex kink-resistant hose, this washer comes with 15 degrees, 25 degrees, and 40 degrees spray tips, plus soap and turbo nozzles for versatile cleaning. With 3,300 cleaning units, this pressure washer offers superior cleaning efficiency, removing even the toughest dirt and debris. Handles water temperatures up to 104 degrees Fahrenheit 40 degrees Celsius for added cleaning power. The Greenworks 3000 PSI True Brushless Electric Pressure Washer combines power, durability, and convenience, offering superior performance for both homeowners and professionals. Backed by innovative technology and a rugged design, this pressure washer is ready to handle any cleaning challenge with ease. So, there you have it, our top 5 best electric pressure washers of 2024. From budget-friendly to high-powered, there's something for everyone on this list. Make sure to check out the links in the description below to find the best deals on each of these models. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.